Hello everybody! Today we are going to explore 5 ChatGPT plugins to help you manage your WordPress website more efficiently. Before moving on, please subscribe to our channel, put your thumbs up, and enjoy the video. Our first ChatGPT plugin is ChatGPT Assistant by IcePro. And here we can see the main dashboard of ChatGPT Assistant. To get started with ChatGPT Assistant, you will need to generate an API key. For this, you need to sign up and log in OpenAI. And if you've already done this, then you can skip this and go right into OpenAI key page. And here you will see create new secret key. And you just simply need to copy and paste it here. I've already pasted it, but let's do that again and click connect. And here we can see our ChatGPT Assistant icon at the bottom of our website. This is a multifunctional ChatGPT Assistant which can be displayed both in the front end and back end of your website. And not only your customers can take advantage of this, but also you can take advantage of this ChatGPT Assistant. So you can ask it to generate a blog post, choose the length, choose the keywords, and it will automatically generate a content based on your preferences. So let's ask it to generate a blog post on phones. Including their pros and cons, let's say. And it will automatically generate an article within seconds. And here you can see it. And you will simply copy and paste it to your pages. And also we can see this front chat feature, and here you can choose where you want your ChatGPT Assistant to display. You can choose all pages, or you can click accept or include and type the post name that you want there not or to display. Then you can also go to settings and also choose your preferred styles and also set some chat settings. That's it from ChatGPT Assistant, and let's now move on to our next ChatGPT plugins. Our next ChatGPT supported plugin is GPT AI Power, and here you can see its main dashboard. In this welcome section, you can see how it works and how you can use it or set up API key. We have already covered how you can set up API key, and you can use the same API key here. So it says go to AI Engine tab. So we are going AI Engine tab, and we are simply pasting our API key here and clicking on save. So afterward, we can see the other sections: content, SEO, image, search GPT, and AI assistant. These are all the features that GPT AI Power enables. And once you click here on them separately, you can see their separate dashboard. So let's test the content generator. Here you are introducing some titles. It says example mobile phones. So let's type mobile phones and see what it generates. And here also you can see in this bar headings, keywords, which are available for the pro version only, and now we are testing the free version. And now if you click on generate, you can see that in seconds, in minutes, it generates a content that is highly optimized. If you are using their pro version and using your keywords, then it will be SEO friendly and reader friendly as well. And here you can see on your screens what it has generated. So you can see the heading, the pros and cons of smartphone addiction. So we only labeled with 2 keywords, mobile and phones, and it generated and also suggests a heading. So here we can see the pros and cons and introduction and our conclusion, and I think that's great. Our next ChatGPT plugin is Bertha AI, and it can be used to generate art and images and content, and also can be used as a chatbot. So in this sidebar, we can see all the features and tools that it has to offer us. So the first one is long format content, Bertha Chat and Bertha Art. In long format content, we can see that we can introduce a favorite title. For example, let's say mobile phones. And here we can write a short description of what we want it to generate. For example, the pros and cons of using mobile phone, let's say. And here we choose our target audience, let's say men and women. And then if we have also some keywords, we introduce them here with comma separated order. Let's say mobile and phone. And now when we click generate, it would automatically appear here within seconds. And here we can see it. Next feature it offers is the Bertha chat, and here we can see that we can type anything and ask. The feature is called Ask Me Anything, but it is available in the Pro version, and here we can chat with Bertha chat. And the last feature that interested me the most is Bertha Art. Once we click here, we can see that we can create custom AI images, and also we can search AI generated images. Once we click here, we can describe an image that we want Bertha Art to generate. For example, let's say a woman working with a laptop. And thousands of options will appear here, and we can choose whatever we want them. And it actually is very interesting. Our next plugin is WP-Bot, and we are using and testing the light version. So here you can see the control panel of WP-Bot, and while getting started, it will quickly introduce all the tools and features that it enables. Here we can see what it enables: simple text responses, frequently asked questions, emails, call me back, feedback collection. Then when you go to icons and themes, you can choose your icon style that you want it to display in the at the bottom of your website. So let's choose one of these, let's say this one, and then you can choose other design styles, for example the color, and also a agent image. I think this default agent is looks good. And here you can see the themes which you can choose. Let's go with this one. And then you can go to FAQ builder, and here you can edit your questions. So here you can add more questions and type here the frequently asked questions and introduce it to your chatbot. Then you can go to language center, and here do your changes within the language setting, and you can also choose change the your website's name, also your agent name if you want it to have a name. Then you can also type these, and if it says sorry, what you should say sorry. Then also you can add this one, has joined the conversation, and welcome, and this welcome speech, welcome back to start, hi there, everything you can change and add here. And you can also connect them to Dialogflow, which is in the Pro version. Here you can and you can also go to Dialogflow and enable Dialogflow AI engine to process natural language commands from users and make the communication between you and your customers even better and seamless. Our last ChatGPT plugin is KnowledgeBase HelpDesk and ChaBot plugin, which enables you to do all of these free functions within one plugin. And actually its free version is quite limited, but you can take a great advantage of the Pro version, which really enables many tools that you can use and run your website more efficiently. And here you can see the old articles, and if you have generated any article, and you can create a knowledge base with the help of this plugin. You can also add new articles, and here we can see that it has a Pro version, so mostly it says to go Pro. So but we can also upvote count, we can set the views, and it will automatically develop a new knowledge base according to our inserted information. And in these sections, you can add new sections and change your knowledge base, which will make the process of searching within your website for your customers even quickly and easily. That's it, guys. I hope you liked the video about 5 ChatGPT plugins that you can use to run your website more efficiently. And if you like the video, please don't forget to hit the buttons like and subscribe, and also write your comments below. Bye!